Writing test instructions. This writing test includes two separate tasks. You will have 27 minutes for task 1 and 26 minutes for task 2. Try to complete each task to the best of your ability within the time limits. This email was written to cancel an internet service because the person is moving. You can pause the video if you need more time to read the full answer. The writer clearly gives all three pieces of information. My account number is 2984761, explains the reason for canceling, and asks if there are any cancellation fees. The message starts with a greeting and has two short body paragraphs. Each paragraph focuses on different details from the task. The tone is polite and formal, which is a good fit for a business email. The writer uses helpful linking words like because, so, and also to show clear connections between ideas. This makes the email easy to follow. You will also see a couple of stretch words like confirm and cancellation. These are more advanced words, but they are used in a simple way and are common in customer service emails. One tip for beginners is to always include your key details early, like your account number and moving date. This saves time for both you and the person reading your email. It also shows that your message is clear and well organized. This answer clearly supports option A and gives 2 good reasons. If you need more time, feel free to pause the video to read it carefully. The writer says they want to improve health and meet others, and gives 2 short body paragraphs. One talks about exercise and the other about meeting people. This shows that the answer is well organized. It also has a short introduction and a clear conclusion. The tone is semi-formal, which fits a community survey. You'll notice linking words like firstly, also, and in conclusion. These help the reader follow the ideas easily. The stretch words in this answer are connected and lifestyle. These are good B2 level words, but still simple enough to use at this level. Each paragraph is focused and includes personal examples. For instance, the writer says they sit at a desk most of the week. That helps explain why the fitness class would be useful for them. Here's a tip for beginners. Always include your own situation in the answer. Even 1 or 2 short examples like I feel shy going to a gym can make your writing stronger and more personal. It also shows why your choice makes sense. This answer supports option B and gives 2 strong reasons. You can pause here if you want to read the full answer slowly. The writer says painting is relaxing and creative, and then explains how it helps with stress and family time. That gives a clear purpose for the choice. The response has a short introduction, 2 body paragraphs, and a conclusion. This is a good structure for this type of task. The tone is polite and semi-formal, which is right for a community survey. You can see linking words such as first of all, also, and in short. These help connect ideas and show the structure of the response. The stretch words here are encourages and creative. These are stronger vocabulary choices, but they are used clearly and correctly. The writer also uses examples from their own life, like bringing their children to the class. This helps show why option B is a good match for them. One tip for beginner writers is this: add 1 or 2 personal examples in your answer. It helps your writing feel more natural and helps explain your choice better.